Hi, my name is Sebastian. I help aspiring music producers and artists take their music to the next level. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skill, I meet you where you're at and I help you grow. I offer personalized one-on-one coaching sessions in person at your own home or preferred location. I'll bring all of the necessary gear if you need it, and our lessons are completely tailored to your setup, your creative goals, and how you learn best, all while using Logic Pro X as our main tool. Now, this is for anybody from complete beginners who are looking to make their first tracks and just explore the craft, or more experienced producers who already have projects that they're looking to finish. We'll be able to dive into any electronic music genre, such as EDM, house, techno, bass music, dubstep, trap, ambient, hip hop, and experimental, and much more. And you'll be able to improve or learn skills such as composition, arrangement, mixing and mastering, vocal recording, sound design, using synthesizers, hardware such as drum machines, as well as DJing and creative problem solving for when you hit a wall and you need help. Now, just to reiterate, you do not need your own computer or anything to start. I can bring everything we need for you to learn how to make your first track. Now, obviously this would be for a beginner. If you're more experienced and you already have tracks, we will have a more high level catered session. We're not gonna go over the basics, things that you already know. We're just gonna focus on what you need to know in order to move forward and take your music to the next level. Now, same with the beginners. I don't have a generic curriculum. I do not apply a one-size-fits-all model to this service, okay? It's highly tailored to your interests, your goals, your needs. I'm here to facilitate a fun, educational, inspiring experience that you'll be able to take away for the rest of your life. I truly believe music production is one of the best outlets, and I'm so thankful to have came across it when I did, because it provided a whole dimension of meaning to my life. I was always fascinated with music as a kid, and it was like magic. I couldn't even understand how it was created. So to be able to become the magician and learn the magic has been a blessing. It's a superpower. And it not only that, it teaches you how to think. Principles of art and music teach you how to think, and you're able to appreciate more out of life. And it teaches discipline and patience and workflows and mindsets. There's so much depth that goes into music production. I can't wait to share this craft and outlet with the world. All right. So I encourage you to take a look at the section where I give a rough overview of the 3 packages that I offer. And as well as there is a text segment, which is basically an orientation of what you can expect before booking our first session. Now, at the end of my page, my website, there's a video, an About Me video, which I will open up personally about myself if you're interested in getting to know me a little bit. I appreciate you watching this video, and I hope to get to work with you or teach you the awesomeness that music production and Logic Pro has to offer.